sure what I'm going to do in this video. I'm just going to show you what it takes to keep cracking on this. The choices I have to make. Any advice is welcome, especially about the carb. And just keep going. I haven't done much on the bike. I've been ordering parts, and that's basically it. I fitted a speedometer. I fit it right on these standard points, so quick and easy. I am still a bit worried about the air filters I'm going to put on and the changes I have to make on this. I'm not sure what I need for that. The other thing I got was this manual, which is on my Insta. It really helps for the specifications and really helpful. The other thing I was doing was looking at all these examples on the internet, which these are all the same bike, GS. I really like this one, especially the color. But I really like this one. Yeah, it's really nice. You can see this one on YouTube. So I'm using it for inspiration and figuring out what I'm going to buy. Oh, this is what the bike actually looks like when you buy it. Here we go. Clean carbs. Overhaul the engine. Dismantle the engine, valves, new spark plugs, gaskets, fluids, filters, and just check the overall condition. Paint the engine black, silver. Put new gaskets on the exhaust. Foot pegs. This needs to be replaced. Put a brake light switch. Then do some welding. Battery tray on the back here. A bit more to the front. The other thing is a tray around here, small tray to put the CDI in and the regulator, and there's going to be a ignition right there, and the wiring. Fit the blinkers, fit the gas handle, the front fork, complete overhaul, paint these, new seals, lower it, front rim, powder coat, new brake line at the front. I'm going to use a steel brake line, single brake line. Rear rim powder coat. This is rear wheel if I change the size. So new brakes in the back. Fit a rear tail light. The tank. Make this smooth out. New paint job. Fuel lines, fuel filters, whatever. Make this one nice. Well, these pegs need to be changed. What else? New chain sprockets. Maybe check the gears. Some new gear springs, fit headlights, powder coat this. And new tires. That's it.